Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, error cannot delete folder, the directory is not empty. Folder is located in C drive. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type chkdsk, /f, drive name Kalan. Type Y to continue. Type exit from command prompt. Restart your computer. Scanning repairing drive starting. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.